Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Hussain, and on the demand of students, I'm starting a new series of videos and lectures that is about preparation of Punjab Public Service Commission test and interview for lecturer in English. You know that it has been announced by government, rather a summary has been sent to PPSC. Requisition has been sent to announce for the post of lecturers, and this series will be meant for the preparation of lecturer in English. So this is an introductory session. I will tell you what we are going to do. First, we will talk about do's and don'ts. All these things will come in the next videos. What we need to do and what we need to avoid. The first don't is that don't wait for advertisement. Start your preparation right now. This is a do. Do your preparation. Start your preparation right now. Don't wait for advertisement. This is one do and one don't for today, and I will discuss other do's and don'ts with you in the next video. Then I will provide you, rather refer you in both ways. I will give you the books and I will also refer you for books. I will tell you about a few very valuable websites. Also will share notes. I will share my notes and you can also improvise your own notes, and this is how we will go in a systematic way about our preparation. Then we will have discussions. These may be in our groups, that may be some WhatsApp group, Facebook page, blog, and also live conferences, live discussions on YouTube, on Google Meet. That will be according to the convenience of all the participants of our discussion. Then we will go for assessment. We will do both kind of assessment in during the session. During our preparation, we will keep on doing some kind of assessment, and also it will be an end term kind assessment, and this assessment will be done through the previous papers. You will be given previous papers, and also we will make dummy papers as well. And I hope that after going through these kind of assessments, you will be very much ready for your test, and same kind of dummy exercise will conduct about your interview. Also, if you have any suggestions, you have any idea that you think that can be workable for us, that we can do to make our preparation better, you can give me that suggestion. So hope to see you in a very good session that's coming next, and rather many sessions that are coming next, and I hope that we will have a very good time and we will have very good preparation. Thank you very much. God bless you.